Hey everyone, my name's Jeff. Welcome back to Jones Works. I've got a couple of these totes full of bamboo cutoffs from a local furniture maker that are all different lengths and sizes. I'm going to try to make as many cutting boards out of these as I can using a homemade sled to make the glue up easier. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get to the project.
This is my time. This is my time. Oh, this is my time. This is my time.
I hope you all enjoyed this one. This project took a ton of time and a lot of work, but I really think they came out beautiful. I was able to get quite a few of these. I even made a couple of really beefy ones, and out of the scraps, a couple of cheese boards, and I have a few more scraps that I can make a couple more of these little guys. I still have a little work to do finishing these guys off, but this project was just taking quite a while, so I thought I'd get this video done. The board you saw me make in the video was donated to a fundraiser auction hosted by a couple of friends of mine, Jamie and Molly. There are a couple of rescuers that were trying to raise money for a microchip scanner to make finding the homes of lost pets a lot easier. They also like to help a lot of the local shelters with finding homes for pets without families. Jamie and Molly work really hard and do really amazing work, and they help these animals who can't help themselves. I think the least we can do as humans is help these animals who show us nothing but unconditional love to give them a better chance at a good life. I also want to mention that they are always taking donations to help all the local shelters. So if you have any blankets or anything like that, I'd personally be happy to come pick them up from you so I can get it to them. They also have a Facebook page that I'll link in the description if you want to find out more. That's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please share and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next project.